Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nisa Golden. If you're new here, welcome. This video is just a little get to know me. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been making my little makeup and beauty content here and there, but I think it's fair for me to guys to just give you a little brief synopsis, very brief, about me, about who I am. I think I always y'all. Like I can't just be coming on here just making content and y'all don't know like who is this? Like what is she? What does she even like? Like give us something. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I expect when I go onto somebody's page that I like. So yeah, I think it's only fair for me guys for me to give you guys a little brief synopsis of who I am. So Nisi Golden is not my real name. My name is Shanicia. Shanicia. Let's skip the formalities. You know, you guys don't need to know my last name. So yeah, Shanicia. I'm Jamaican. I'm from Jamaica. If you can already tell by the accent that me know chip in every now and then. Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Yeah, Jamaican and proud. Like every chance I get to tell somebody that I'm Jamaican, I'm taking it. Like, where are you from? Jamaica? You that accent Jamaican, I'm Jamaican. Like not even now wait for you to ask me where the accent is from. I'm telling you. I'm from Jamaica. I'm very proud. Yeah. So yeah, I'm from Jamaica and I'm a country girl, like real country. Like street lights don't run up on the hill where me did live on type of country. Like when my friends were like at home, probably watch movie, watch cable, and all these things. Like me did have to go move goats, me did have to get cold water, like all those stuff. And when I was younger and living like that, because I grew up with my grandmother, like the most wonderful woman that ever walked this earth, and she trained me. So no, but on a more serious note, yeah, I grew up with my grandmother, and you know, while I was younger and I was living in it, I used to be like, oh, I can't wait till I grow up. Um, why me have to live like this when my mother don't have me have, would have to do this for me to live with my mother, but I live in a concrete house, she not have to do all this, my father live overseas. I'm pretty sure I'm not have to do all of this, you know. While I was young, I thought that it was rough, but now that I'm older and an adult now and I'm a little bit over 25, so my frontal lobe developed, I would give up anything right now just to be in that for a minute, just for a little bit, just to feel it again. I missed it so much. Um, my grandmother passed away, so God resurrect, may your soul rest in peace. You know, I don't want to get all emotional and stuff, but yeah, looking back at it, I that was really what shaped me into the woman that I am today, and I wouldn't go back and change it for the world. Like all my core values and the morals that I have, like the things that I hold dear to my heart, like the things that you can't hold, the intangible things. I learned growing up the way that I did, and I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. So yeah, so before I get all emotional and stuff, let's go into something a little bit more lighter. So I'm a Virgo. Yeah, so I'm Jamaican. I was raised by the most wonderful woman in this world. I'm a Virgo. Like, ugh, so much greatness in a one person. I mean, it's a lot being me. No, but seriously, yeah, I'm a Virgo, proud Virgo. I'm a September baby, September the 16th. So yeah, what else do y'all want to know? Yeah, so even though I grew up in the country, most of my schools were in the town area. So lived in Hanover, so my schools were in St. James. So me got Walipa school, like Walipa school. If me stand and tell you no the amount of schools that me go and the reason why I stopped going to those schools, like we're gonna be sitting here for a long time. So let me just tell you the schools that I spent the most time at. So for primary school I went to Barracks Road Primary School in Montego Bay. High school, I went to the Russies High School, the best high school in Jamaica. Like, don't even try argue with it. This is an honest channel. We will deal with honesty here. So Russies is the best school, high school in Jamaica. That. Yeah. After Russies, I went to the Montego Bay Community College in Montego Bay, of course. It's the Montego Bay Community College. Yeah, I went there for 2 years. Majored in, I did mostly history, um, literary arts, literature, all those stuff, introduction to law, and all these things. And after I graduated, I didn't sign up for university because I got married while I was in ComC, and I knew that I was going to move to Canada through being married. So I just didn't bother with signing up for university or anything like that. Um, I know that's a lot I just said in that one sentence. But yeah, after that, I worked at a call center for a little bit until it was time for me to come to Canada and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the basic about me growing up to Jamaica. How I came to Canada, how I end up getting married so young. Alright, so listen to me. Me now giving a whole long no eulogies for when somebody die. Memories for famous people. What you call this? Life story. Me not gonna tell you the whole shenanigans of how I got here. How I come into content creating. I know this is going to sound cliche, but I'm not gonna say I've always wanted to be this, what I am now. No. To be quite honest, I was obsessed with DR and Ken when they just come out. And that's the type of content that I thought I would be creating, like couples things. But the older I get, and after getting married and stuff, it didn't feel organic, so I didn't do it. I've always like do my little videos and stuff, but never posted it. This channel that we're on right now, if you check, you might be like, how she have over 2,000 subscribers, but she have a couple videos, not a lot, and she not get much views. That's because this channel is mine, and I didn't pay for any of my subscribers. Thank you very much. But yeah, this is my channel, but this channel was once Nisi Golden Arts, and I used to make art videos on here. Used to make abstract video arts, landscape paintings and stuff. Channel did really well. I got my 2,000 plus subscribers from that, and some more since I started doing TikTok. But I've always wanted to create content. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. This is the type of YouTube channel that I wanted in my core. After I found out that the world there and can think not gonna work out for me, because I'm not willing to broadcast that part of my life at all. Not even for my Instagram, you'll never see me post that. So yeah. Where I said that wasn't enough, and I know I've always wanted to do this, but I was just too shy to do. You know, when they say frontal lobe not develop until they are 25, believe them, are true. Because until I've been 25, I wasn't brave enough to come on here, really, to be honest with you guys. But I've always wanted to do it at my core. So yeah, I did art videos and stuff like that until, you may not know, maybe, I don't know if you guys are spiritual, but I am. And so you learn something new about me again. I'm a spiritual person. I'm very spiritual. I've listened to my intuition and all those things. And let me tell you, guys, the videos, my art videos, were doing so well. But every single time I was creating those content, it felt like a burden. Like me literally push myself to do it, because deep down I never want to do. But I was so afraid, not even shy, afraid, fear, coming on the camera and showing my face. And they did well, and when it was time, when me reach me 4,000 watch hours and all these things, the channel wouldn't freaking monetize, guys. It wouldn't monetize. And when we tell us I try everything, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. And I don't know. Me did stop God church real. Me don't know. You might think it's a reach what I'm saying, but me know why me believe this is the reason. Me being a try, I've always tried to shy away from what I truly wanted to do and try to do things similar. Some would I try to do the painting videos and stuff. Me still a film, still a post on YouTube, but it's not who I am. I'm not doing anything regarding to beauty. And a couple months ago, before I moved back to here, I was living in a neighboring city. And one day, me just going to know the supermarket, and me always I've been writing it in my journal. It's on my vision board that I wanted to get back into church. I wanted to find a church. I wanted to find a church community, somewhere where I feel comfortable going, somewhere where we can go talk with pastor about stuff, like somewhere which part me not feel like say me fi hide who I am. And a couple of weeks after writing that in my journal and making my vision board and stuff, me bump into the man in the North Rails in the supermarket, and him say, please come to my church Sunday. And at first me never have nothing to wear, in the guys, you know, to want some work I be to church. Me hearing that if they cane roof put one week pants up, none of that. And I just went to the church, and from that me just start ask one bag of question. Me don't know where come from, because I'm not that type of person. I really don't talk to people like that. Me start asking about a question and stuff. Me start getting to it. Me start reading my Bible more often. Me start journal. I've always journal, but me start journal way more. And yeah, me start. It's like me just start find one new part of myself. Me start asking pastor the questions, and me used to say, you know what? I've always been doing things that I really don't want to do, but it's close to what I want to do. And let me tell you, say, guys, one day, me like, after me the pastor tell myself to fast and all these things, I don't know about fasting, me just wing it. Me just wing it. Me just know something to eat at a certain time. Like, we didn't know if me probably we supposed to did for drink water, but me did drink water. Anyways, still we move. And me I tell you guys, I'm not being extra, like for real. Like me just dip on the bed one day after me do my local journal, me local Bible study and stuff, and me just let me try to save me didn't even delete the channel, guys. I deleted the email, all of that. And me just step on my phone and me mess with it, and me restore back the email, and me say me try and see if me can get it monetized, even though me archive a lot of the videos them. You know, so it's supposed to take a couple days or weeks for you get for them tell you if you get monetized or not. Tell me why the next man as me get up and say, oh, congratulations, you're monetized. And all I did was started to be myself. Guys, when me tell you something, we actually start a different channel. There's another channel that is called Nisi Golden Vlogs. You can go on it and you see like makeup videos and stuff. I didn't even try to start over, because that's what I do. I am usually the type of person which part something not work with me start over. But I guess God did just say this time, no, you're not gonna start over, go finish what you started. The plan was you do the art videos until you get confidence enough to start do your personal videos, and you transfer the channel over to beauty. Why you run from that now? You're gonna do it. And that's what happened. So when Mrs. Summer get monetized, I start delete off all of the, the art videos. And that is why we're here now. That's the story. You know, yeah, so I transferred the channel over to beauty, which was always the plan. Me pretty sure if I go back in my journals, I can find which, but I wrote it that after I get a certain amount of following with the art, I'm going to transfer the channel over into a beauty channel, like just archive the videos or so what transition into a beauty channel. And that's what happened, and now it's monetized. Yeah, so that's me. That's how little Shanicia from Jamaica in the country reached Canada, and now I'm a content creator. And I don't think I am on the path of being an influencer. What's the difference though? An influencer influences people, a content creator just create content. I think they're both the same, to be quite honest. Because if you create content, you go influence somebody for the way you create it. It's not that big of a deal, in my opinion. So yeah, that's it about me. What else do y'all want to know? Like, I think it would have been best if you guys ask me the questions. I might post snippets of this on my TikTok. If you guys had asked me questions, then I answer them. That would have been way more easy and to the point, because this is all over the place. Let me see if there's anything like a fun thing I can throw in there. I love trying different Asian dishes. Like if you live in the GTA and you know like no good Asian spots, like especially a spot that sells good Korean fried chicken, hook a girl up. comment below and let me know. Like, I'm obsessed with Korean fried chicken. I'm obsessed with Korean food and all. I've not tried pho yet, but I just haven't found a good restaurant yet that I want to go to. I want to try it like the real pho, like you're adding your own herbs and stuff like that. So yeah, I love Asian food. Yeah, what else is there to tell y'all? My favorite color, I don't really have one right now. I go through phases. Like right now I'm gravitating toward greens, which is why I changed my plant. I love deep forest greens and stuff. Like, I don't know. I have my time when I love pink. I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, this video is so ADHD coded. Like, yeah, but this is all I have to share. When it comes down to beauty, I know I do a lot of hair videos on my TikTok, but to be quite honest, I am my happiest when I'm doing makeup. I am. I am. I love changing my wigs though, but I'm just saying that I have more fun creating makeup videos. I really do. Especially ones where I'm talking to the camera. Because on TikTok, I'm so focused on getting the right shots that I don't get to speak into the camera, because once we start talking, as you can probably tell by this video, I just don't shut up. That is what people always don't get about Virgos too. Like, people always say, oh, Virgos don't talk. Oh, we talk. Oh, we will talk your ears off. It's just that we're very specific about the type of people that we like and the type of people that we talk to. So yeah, that's another thing about me. Like, first impression, I'll know if I'll ever like you or not. And there is nothing that you're gonna do in the future that will change my mind. Like, I can just look at somebody and say, yeah, my spirit now gonna take that girl. And trust me, no matter what you do, no matter how everybody else say you're genuine, it just not gonna happen. It's just it. Yeah, like once the first energy that I feel from you, I hold on to that. That's probably not a very nice thing, but it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you guys get to know me a little bit more from all the gibberish and crap I've been spitting on here. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything that you guys want me to answer and stuff, shoot them in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video to your friends. What you can expect from me in the future: more videos like this, more me talking while I'm doing my makeup tutorials. I really like to teach. I get to realize it, and people comment that a lot on my TikTok, that, oh my gosh, you're so good at teaching, you're so good at explaining. My mom is a teacher, by the way, but oh, you'll never catch me in a classroom. Like, I'll never go in a classroom if I'm not teaching nobody painting. Like, I couldn't do it. No, I don't think I like that. But doing it over the camera where you're not in my space, sure. Yeah. So. A lot more videos like this. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a lot of hair videos on here though, but makeup for sure. I think I'm gonna try to start doing some sit down talking videos like this as well. I don't know what about yet, but I actually do like doing these. I have a lot of, I'm young, although I'm soon 30, but I still think I'm young. I'm gonna age like fine wine, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think I have a lot of wisdom in my head I can share. So yeah, so shoot away, ask me anything you want to ask me. Bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video.